Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you can add a video that you want to edit, this one. And then now you can click add at the bottom. Now, if you wanna edit this video with motion blur effect, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the clips. And after this, at the menu, you can swipe until you can see motion blur. This one, this one. You can click on it. And after this, in here, you can set the blur and the blend. Just swipe left or right like this. This one. And after this, in here, you can set the boot or the wand. In here, I wanna set to for the boot, and this is the ones twitch. After this, you can click on the check icon, this one, and after this you can waiting until the process has been finished. Okay, and finish. So this is the motion blur. Okay, finish. This is the motion blur effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.